Sunday afternoon, and I released a video on the toolbox this morning. And if you're interested in this, the plans are available for you to make it yourself. It works with the drawer slides that I designed, or it works with these ordinary, these expensive ball bearing slides. Not this length though. This is 22. You want 16-inch ones for this. Okay? So if you want the plans for that, they're on my website. There's a link in the description. Also, I want to take the time to talk about something else here. If you're interested in supporting the channel, you can do that a couple of ways. Buying a plan is really good. Another way is Patreon, and that's been around for a long time. Recently, I opened an account on Locals, and there's some people trickling in there. However, I posted last night on, this morning actually, a discount code for members. So if you're a member there, you can go and get 50% off the plans for this and any other plan on my website. You just need to sign up Locals. You don't have to pay anything. You just sign up and become a member, and you'll get that discount. It'll be in the post, the top one on the top of the page right now. Okay? Discount code's there. You plug that into the sales page and you get it. And like I said, it works for every plan that's on the site. It's the same on Patreon. I posted it this morning as well. If you're a Patreon member though, which you'll have to pay for at least $1, you'll get that discount. So you got a choice there. You can become a member on Locals for free. Although I prefer if you became a supporter, that'd be great, because this show doesn't, pay for itself, all right? Anyway, so I got this set of drawer slides here because, as expected, I got, people asking, how much weight will those drawer slides take? How much, can you put in there? I thought I would do a kind of a practical test. I actually weighed this set of drawer slides, and it's surprisingly heavy. It's 1.7 kilograms, I think. But I put in this top drawer 7 pairs. Okay, 1, 2, I had to pack them in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I had comments asking how the drawer would operate with weight in there. And you can see, look, 2 fingers to pull it open, 2 fingers to push it closed. So that's that one, and that's a shallow drawer. I actually started to fill up a lower drawer as well with my screw assortments. I want to see how well these bends that used to be in my downdraft table that I replaced with the other drawer units down there. And now I don't have a place for them to go, so I figured it'd be perfect for here. They were almost a perfect fit too. I just had to shave a little bit off on the side of 2 of them, and they went right in there. And here's the drawer with those in there. There's a good bit of weight in those screw holders, I can tell you that. But that wasn't enough, okay? There's more. I took all the loose sockets that were down in that unit down there as well. The ones that were on the holders, I took them all off. The holders I made several years ago have kind of failed a little bit. They've swollen up a little bit, the wood, and they're holding onto the socket a little bit too aggressively. So I pull them all off and I put them in there. I put them in this bucket. Actually, like I put 2 bucket loads in here. The second bucket I actually weighed, I think it was 6 pounds. Okay, so that's 12 pounds of sockets right there, plus all of these screws that are in here. So yeah, they hold a lot of weight and they still work great. I got one other thing to talk about, and I actually talked about this in a video that I posted on Locals yesterday, an exclusive video for supporters on Locals. I've been doing that lately, and I'm going to continue to do it. Kind of behind the scenes type videos, If you can't get enough of me here, you can go over there, throw $5 in the pot, and watch some more videos. Anyway, so I was talking about this here. This is my covered lumber rack that I built, 3, maybe 4 years ago. I use it, but it's not really convenient to use, especially the top section up here. And then the bottom section is kind of difficult to use too, but closes up neat, looks good in the background. Okay? Now, I've been stacking lumber up directly below it. And what I've noticed while I've had that lumber there is that it's not really in the way. So I've been saying to myself, if this is here and the lumber is down there, then why don't I just build a lumber rack here and find some interesting way to cover it? And so I did that. I talked about it, like the idea in that video that I was referring to. But this morning, after I posted the video on the toolbox, I pulled out SketchUp and I drew something up, an approximation. Basically what it is two ends that come up short of the ceiling because I need to leave room for my camera gantry to go, right? And it goes over there and it goes right down to the end. And then on the front, there would be two sliding doors, which would be very similar to kind of barn doors. They have casters on the bottom though, homemade ones, and it'll also fit in a track up on the top. So the access to stuff that's inside here on the lumber rack, all I'd have to do is slide the wall over. Right now, this stuff is in the way, the drill press cabinet, and the other things over there, but all this is gonna move. Like I talked about this before as well, moving this drill press up to that wall where the tool board currently is, because the tool board is going. Because that's the reason why I built the toolbox, to take all the tools off the tool board and put it in the toolbox, and then the toolbox will be the core of my new workbench. So I'm not gonna build this yet, I'm just talking about the idea. My next project probably is gonna be, you'll see it in the background, right there. That's an old water tank, and I'm gonna use that to make a shop vac powered dust collector, mobile one, vertical arrangement. Okay, should be interesting.